Hi everybody. This video is going to go over week 7 assignment. And this is our last week of work that is mandatory. Next week's going to be just a catch-up week. So congratulations for making it this far. To kind of close out this week, what we're going to be doing is a scope article. And the scope article is titled "The Truth About Binge Watching." So what you're going to do is you're going to read the article. You can click here to get the PDF of the story, and I also read the story out loud, so you can click here to get that video. So you could just, if you want it read out loud, you only have to click on this one, and it'll take you right to it. When you are done, you have some questions to answer about this article. So it looks like this. And I read this assignment out loud as well, so if you would like that read to you, go ahead and click on that link. In this assignment, there are two parts. The first part is pre-reading vocabulary. So these you should actually work on before you read it. If you don't do it before, that's fine too. But it's just meant to, we have you do it beforehand, so when you're reading the story, you understand the meaning better. So we have part 1. And this is a lot of reading, so I did record myself reading this. So if you want that support, it's there. You're going to see that you're going to highlight, change the color for this number 1 through 3, which you guys are familiar with doing. And then 4 and 5, you're going to finish the sentences. And then part 2, you are going to just be answering the questions. And I give you page numbers so you can go back in the text if you need to. When you're finished, you can click Turn In. And then that's it for this week. All right, if you have any questions, just reach out.